Okay, let's talk about removing this decal off of a DCP propane bottle. This is way easier than you think, and all we need is a little bit of lacquer thinner or acetone, your choice. Either one can be bought pretty cheap. I'm using a little rag I have here, gonna dip it in this lacquer thinner, and watch how easily this comes off. This particular logo is really close to that DOT tape. If you get into that DOT tape, you will remove it because it is the same kind of decal that the Rourke is made of. So they will come up easily. If you are in fear, use a Q-tip so you can get in nice and super close without bumping into those DOT tapes and then removing those as well. You can see I just smeared that just a wee bit. Now to the other side. Notice I'm rolling that tank with the wheels up because if I just happen to get too much lacquer thinner in my Q-tip and it happens to run, it's going to run down rather than into the DOT tape. I mean, that's really never a problem, but just to be on the safe side. And there you go. Look at that. You're all done. If you see anything that you may have missed, you can come in and touch it up with your Q-tip, clean it up, touch it up, and you're done. Now, there is one little number back here on the back side of your tank. If you don't like that, you can come in with your Q-tip and do the same thing once more. And now you've eliminated the number on the bottom of your tank. And now all you have is orange paint, your logos, and you're done. That's it. Go make something awesome, have fun in this hobby, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.